Economic graduates have a wide array of career opportunities available to them both in India and abroad. In India, graduates can pursue careers in government agencies, financial institutions, consulting firms, and multinational corporations. They can also explore opportunities in research and academia, working in universities and think tanks. Abroad, economic graduates can find opportunities in international organizations such as the United Nations, World Bank, and International Monetary Fund. They can also work for global corporations and consulting firms, contributing to the analysis and development of international economic policies. In both India and abroad, economic graduates can specialize in areas such as macroeconomics, microeconomics, international economics, and development economics. With the rapid globalization of economies, there is an increasing demand for professionals who can understand and analyze complex economic trends and policies. Moreover, the technological advancements and the digital economy have created new opportunities for economic graduates, with roles in data analytics, financial technology, and digital marketing becoming increasingly important. Overall, career opportunities for economic graduates are diverse and promising, offering the chance to make a meaningful impact on the world's economies and societies. Whether at home or abroad, economic graduates can look forward to challenging and rewarding career paths in a variety of sectors.